Welcome back to my channel. I'm Astrology and today I'm going to talk about ASHTAKVARGA system of Vedic astrology, in which you can predict marriage, kids, even your lifespan, and it is so accurate because it's a little tough, but if you know the basic of astrology, you can get this after watching my video. You can easily calculate the timing of your marriage, timing of your kids, and through ASHTAKVARGA system you can even know when is the time that you're going to die. I won't be discussing that because I don't want people to know the negative side of life. But yes, ASHTAKVARGA system is so accurate that you can predict almost anything through it. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. What is ASHTAKVARGA? ASHTAKVARGA is an eightfold system of looking at your horoscope. This is your horoscope. This is your D1 chart. What lies beneath? That is ASHTAKVARGA. So, what is ASHTAKVARGA? Ashtak means 8, Varga means divisions. ASHTAKVARGA is looking at your chart from 8 possible ways. So there are 8 charts in this system. 8 charts you've got to see at the same time and then combine them to make one chart. That is the final ASHTAKVARGA chart. The first chart is of Lagna ASHTAKVARGA. The second chart is of Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. So there are 8 charts. Yes, Rahu, Ketu, they are not included in this. I repeat, Rahu, Ketu, they are not included in ASHTAKVARGA. So we have these 8 charts, and these planets, they give points to all the houses. So the point system starts from 0 to 8. Each planet gives points to each house from 0 to 8. So Sun will give you some points, Moon will give you some points, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Lagna. All these 8 charts are made. I will try to simplify it. Each chart is called ASHTAKVARGA, and a sum total of all the charts is called ASHTAKVARGA. So single chart is called ASHTAKVARGA, and sum total of all the 8 charts is called ASHTAKVARGA or Samudaya ASHTAKVARGA. So how many points are given in by every planet to every house? The point system is between 0 to 8. So let's say you have one chart of Sun ASHTAKVARGA. So you will have 2 points in first house, 3 points in second house, and so on, from 0 to 8. So 0 means very bad, and 8 means very good. So this is the way to interpret. And which is the average is 4. Like we always get passing marks. So 4 is an passing marks for this kind of chart. So from 0 to 8 you get points in your Surya ASHTAKVARGA or Sun ASHTAKVARGA, and you can see which house is strongest. Likewise, same we see for Moon ASHTAKVARGA, we see same for Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and the Lagna ASHTAKVARGA. See, these all 8 charts you've got to see to know the strength of your horoscope. And when we total all these, we get one chart. That is the main chart to look when you're giving predictions. There might be 28 points in first house, there might be 35 in second, 19 in third, and so on. And that is the total. That is called the main chart you've got to see when you're looking at your chart. What is the strength of your chart? So like if you want to see whether I will be able to be a good businessman or I can do a job. So it's best to see the 10th house points and the 6th house points and correlate. if the 10th house has 35 points and if the 6th house has 19 points. So at a general level, you can say that you'll be better doing business. And what if you want to go into details? Like, I want to see when will I get married. For that, there's another level. So let me practically tell you how to see the ASHTAKVARGA charts. So this is I'm using Leo software, Leo Star. So this is horoscope of a person. This is the Lagna horoscope. This is the moon, and this is the Navamsa. So these three, basically we see these two charts, but to see other details like predicting marriage, predicting kids, you've got to see ASHTAKVARGA if we want accuracy. And let me take you to the tables. So let me take you to the charts of this person. So this is called ASHTAKVARGA charts. This is ASHTAKVARGA of Sun. This is ASHTAKVARGA chart of Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus. And if I bring it closer, you can see that 1 point, 0 points. You can see the points given by various planets to various houses. And when you total all these, you get 3, 1, 5, 5. So 3 is below average, 1 is not good, 4 is average, and above 4 are considered very good. And when you total all these points, all these 8 charts, you get one chart that is called Sarvashtak chart. And you can also see the total of all these planets. This is called Shodhapin in astrological language. We get the power of Sun, that is 144, Moon 161. So this is the total power of all the planets. And we calculate timings, the exact timings, by using these numbers. We use these numbers. But when we want to see the chart, we want to see the Sarvashtak chart. Let me show you what a Sarvashtak chart looks like. So now we get the final chart, that is the ASHTAKVARGA chart. This is this chart which we get after the total of all the 8 charts, and this is the final X-ray of your horoscope. The strength of your planets, the strength of your houses is seen from this chart. So we can see that in the first house it's 28 points, second house 24, 28 in the third house, and likewise to all the 12 houses. And you can see that the 10th house is receiving 38 points, which is very good. Income house is also good. And 6th house, comparatively we can see that the points are less, so this person will preferably do business. And if you want to predict marriage of this person, how to predict marriage through ASHTAKVARGA is to see where Venus is in the D1 chart. It's in Cancer. So you have to count 7 from Venus, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then see how many points are there in Venus ASHTAKVARGA in Capricorn, and then multiply that with the Shodhapin. That means total of Venus points, and divide by 27 nakshatras, and whatever you get, whenever Jupiter will come in transit in that nakshatra, the person will get married. So let me repeat again. You've got to see where Venus is in your chart, and then count 7 from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and just see how many points Venus ASHTAKVARGA is giving to that house, that is Capricorn. So in this case it's 3 points. Then you got to just see the Shodhapin of Venus, the total of strength of Venus, that was 127 in this chart. Then multiply it by 3, then divide by 27 nakshatra. And in this case the answer you get is, the remainder you get is 3. So that means whenever Jupiter will transit the third nakshatra, that is Kritika, this person will
get married.
So I hope you like it, and if you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe because a lot more coming. Stay blessed, be happy, bye bye.